Alright, December 6th, 2024, CN Hayes here, 2215, the last train for tonight. Southbound here, then met the S763 up at Bigfoot. Let's check them out on the roll-bys, lean back and get them. Thinking C6M rebuild, delete it. Sure enough, 3409. We're in 3409, just like that. 97 running into the second slot. Is the last of 60. U754 rebuild number GECX nee-BNSF -944W variant. This one, 3409, is the last one that was previously in the BNSF 4900 class. Right then in the description for you. 41 of the 5th. We've already been taking that to Amanda. GECX. Last mission to come up for GPU. None other than the 3176 to bring up the last of that diesel oil load. The U754, 41 of the 5th. And what a catch! And I was able to get the last of 60 C6M rebuilds that were previously GECX nee-BNSF variants. But it's actually my next C6M rebuild of that lineup, because I got, I'm sure, pretty close to near 50 to go to catch with that lineup. My goodness. So how about that? So that will do it for the U754, 41 of the 5th, and we'll do it for the new 3409 with the ET44s of the 3097 and the 3176. And that's going to do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin for tonight. Thank you so much for watching, folks. You have a great night. I'll see you next time. You have a great weekend, and I hope I will see you down the main line. CN Hayes out.